enough of these capital chic design books, so I went back and got a few that I didn't get the first time with coupons, of course. So I'm really excited about that. This is like the pink book. Then I got the holiday book because it had a lot of cool stickers in it that, at different holidays and, just diversity and things. So I'm excited to sprinkle those in throughout the year. Christmas, different fall holidays. So I was excited about that. And then this one I thought was cute. It was like a floral. I thought it was like really girly and great for spring. So I was super excited about this one as well. All of these capital city, I don't know why I keep saying capital city, capital chic design books just get me. This is the fashionista one. So I was like, oh, this is cute whenever I want to be girly or do shopping things. Probably for the month of March I'll do like spring / girly things. I'm getting a little homesick with this coronavirus. I miss my friends. So I definitely want to do that. This is the a animal print fierce one. I'm super excited about this one. It's bright, it's colorful. I'm trying to push outside my comfort zone. I like typically a lot of neutrals. And this, I got this sticker book. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it just yet. I looked online to see how other people used it, but I think I'm gonna put like some of my capital chic design stickers in there, as well as like use it to plan spreads. So I thought that was cool. It was 30 pages of that. And these 2 items I'm actually going to do a project with. I'm going to make my own sticker album for my happy planners, like all these little loose pages I have. So I'm actually going to do that with like some classic rings that I have somewhere. So this is going to be a long project, but you will see it along the way. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.